The body weight follows the hips, follows the center basically, yeah? When you understand hips movement, you can shift that weight. And remember, we want to be like those ladies, I gave that example, ladies, Balinese ladies with a stack of offerings on their head, yeah? Then we balanced. If you lean forward, offerings will fall off. We don't want to do it, okay? So how do we move then if I need to shift the body weight forward but keep those stack of offerings on my head? Like this. Yeah. So hips are moving. Not that we are leaning, but why is it happening there? Because stance is too wide. Get into wide stance for me. Like just to experiment. Just to experiment. Now try to shift that weight forward. It's harder, right? You kind of feel like you're stuck on that back foot. Yeah? So stance should be like a natural, like you're doing a step when you walk. This is your stance. Find that one, step for a few times, do a few steps, and this is going to be your stance, just like this. Yeah, yeah. Walk, 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 and freeze when your original front foot is forward. Yeah, this is your stance. This is my stance. Width of my natural step, 1, 2, 3, my left foot is forward. This is my stance on the board.